Breaking up is never easy, and losing someone you love can be incredibly painful. But what if I told you that there's hope, a chance to reignite that lost connection? Today, we're delving into a topic that's close to the heart: how to get your ex back. If you're watching this, it means you're not ready to give up on love, and neither are we. So, let's explore the strategies and insights that could help you on this journey of rekindling that special bond. Before we jump into action, let's first understand why the breakup happened. What led to this point, and what are the lessons we can learn from it? It's crucial to reflect on the dynamics of the relationship, the reasons for the breakup, and your own emotions. Understanding is the foundation of growth. Now, it's time to focus on you. Self-improvement isn't just a cliché, it's a powerful strategy. Rediscover yourself, your passions, and your dreams. By becoming the best version of yourself, you not only boost your self-esteem but also increase your attractiveness to your ex. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any relationship. Re-establishing a connection with your ex begins with sincere and empathetic conversations. Learn to listen, express your feelings honestly, and bridge the gaps that may have caused the separation. It's time to reignite the spark that once brought you together. Small gestures, thoughtful surprises, and creating new memories can bring back the magic. Remember what made your relationship special and use that as your guide to reignite the romance. Patience is key when trying to get your ex back. Rushing into things can cause more harm than good. Take it one step at a time, respecting your ex's boundaries and allowing the relationship to naturally rebuild. So, how to get your ex back? It's a journey filled with self-discovery, growth, and a lot of heart. Remember, there are no guarantees, but with the right approach and sincere effort, love can find its way back into your life. If you found this video insightful and you're ready to take on this challenge, please hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more guidance on love, relationships, and personal growth. You're not alone on this journey, and together, we can explore the path to rekindling love.